If you don't want to use timeline in Photoshop, you can always import Photoshop file as sequence in Premiere Pro. Here's a short example. Create new document, go to View, New Guide Layout, 2 columns and 2 roughs. Select Shape tool and create simple shape that covers just first quarter. Resize it. Duplicate this shape 3 times using Ctrl-J shortcut. Next, go to File, Save As, and select where we want to save our file. Go to Premiere Pro, double-click to import and select our Photoshop file. Now very important, change import as to sequence and click OK. Open bin and drag and drop sequence to our timeline. Select these elements and nest. Now import our video file. Open nested sequence, double-clicking on it and change length of each element. Go to FX Control and disable Uniform Scale. Set your time indicator to first frame and add new keyframe. Go a little bit further and add another one, changing parameter on the newest one. Copy motion effects using Ctrl-C and paste it, clicking Ctrl-V on each element on your timeline. Go back to our main sequence and find again Track Matte key. I think that you know what to do with this effect, but just a little reminder. Drag and drop this effect on clip and change composite using to video 2. That's the way you can create unlimited mates using Photoshop and Premiere Pro. See you in a bit in the next section.